When solving linear equations, you will often get questions like this. In this, what you have to do is divide by -3, divide by -3. And a short note is, you have to remember when you're dividing linear equations, you have to switch this sign. So it will be x we have switched this into this, less than into greater than, greater than into less than. So now we have to graph it on a line. So -4 and a line back, representing all the possible x's. This is all the possible x's. So when we write it as an answer, we should write it as x is x 4. Okay, solving compound inequality. In compound inequality, there are two different types of questions. There's OR and. On OR, it is 2x minus 5 is greater than -11, or 3x plus 14 is greater than or equal to 2. So what we have to do is, we have to solve these separately, this and this. So first we would want to eliminate 5. So what we would do is plus 5 plus 5. Here would be 2x and then we would divide by 2, we would get x is greater than -3. And now doing on this side, it would be, we would have to eliminate 14, so we would minus 14. So here it would be -3x is greater to or equal to -12, and divide by -3, x is less than or greater to 4, because we have multiplied or divided. So then we have to switch signs. So now we just put it together. X is greater than -3, or x is less than or equal to 4. And on the other question, the AND question, we would have to solve all of it at the same time. So we want to find x. So we have to plus 8 to everything. Okay, plus 8. So you cut this out. Okay, so I've done it. Cut this out. I've done it two steps ahead. 3 is greater than 3x is greater than or equal to 9. Adding this and this, and then to get x, we have to divide 3. So divide 3, all this, and then we would get 1 is greater than x is greater than or equal to 3. To solve absolute value equations, we must break the equation into two parts. The first part looking exactly the same, just without the absolute value, and the second part being with the -11. So looking like this: 5 -11 Okay, so these are two different answers. And then what we have to do to find x, just plus 5. Sorry, minus 5. So this will be eliminated. So 2x equals 6. And then divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. X equals negative 3. And doing on this side, doing the same thing. Minus 5, 2x equals negative 16. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Get x equals 8. So this is our answer. X equals negative 3 or x equals 8.